So I'm out here in the garage trying to find something, a DIY to do right quick, and I ran across these candle holders right here that was one of the first things I had when I moved out. So I had this since 1997, and I'm not for sure where I got it from, but I know I didn't spend over $15 for the set. So I figured I would use this and glam it up. So what I'm going to do is spray paint it silver, and then I'm going to come back and show you the rest. Hi fam, welcome back to our channel. Design Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and tonight we are not going live. I am going, however, load a very easy upcycle gorgeous video. And what happened is I recorded this a while back, and for some reason some of the footage was lost. So what I did was I came back and I took just a little section of the DIY apart so I can actually do that for you guys on camera. But everything else is recorded on the original date. And I'm also going to show you right quick something else that you can use in the place of what I have, because I don't know, like I said, I told you guys in the video, I don't know where I got them from. So you can take a, so you can take this leg. It comes off a table, and I got this during the hurricane. I got all 4 of the legs off a table, and then I got 4 legs off of another table. And as you can see, one is taller than the other. And if you don't have what I have, you can turn this into some beautiful candlesticks as well. And I am going to do that to these guys in a revamp coming up soon. But yes, you can take these right here and do the exact same thing that I'm going to show you tonight with. So what you're going to need for this DIY is some strong adhesive. You're going to need some rhinestone wrap, or if you don't have rhinestone wrap, I'm thinking the bling wrap from the Dollar Tree or somewhere else can get that. This right here comes from Amazon, and it comes in a 10-foot roll, and so you can order that from there. See how shiny and beautiful it is, picking up the light. You're going to need some type of scissors. You might not even need scissors. You might could just pop it with your hands. And you don't have to use glue, hot glue on this project. Now we're gonna let this dry, and we'll come back to the next step. Spray some of this on. Keep the paint on. What I'm going to do is, this is my candles right here. I had this since 1997. It's a complete set. And if you're wondering, before we get started, how many of these it took to make this, how many of these it took to make this, it was 2.5. And these are around about $8. And you can't buy something this gorgeous for $20. You're going to pay in upwards, even in TJ Maxx or Ross or places like that. You will still pay somewhere around $49, $50. So the first thing I did was, oh, you'll see that in the video because I have that clip. But I took it out and I spray painted it black. Gray. And so what I do is, look, I take the strong adhesive and I spread it out. You don't need a lot, so you can spread a thin layer. And I will put a strong adhesive all over this section right here. Now I'll do that with the E6000 because it stays, it doesn't dry really fast, as fast as some of the other strong adhesives I have. So the E6000, I can do this much, but the quick grip, I can't. And I'm just standing it up so I can get the entire thing. Make sure you get the edges really good. Make sure you get those edges really good because you don't want the diamond wrap, the bling wrap, the rhinestone wrap to fall off. Guys, I want to tell you also, don't worry if you're doing it and you see some of the black showing through. I think that gives it more character as well. So, now that I have the strong adhesive, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start wrapping. So, hold on for a minute.